All right, next we have cost per click. How much you were charged per click, or it could be how much you're willing to pay per click. They would use the same terminology, CPC, cost per click, in both situations. So it's either a way to look back on the performance of your ads and see, I spent $100 and on average, and I got, 10 people to click, so it was $10 cost per click. That's true with like YouTube ads a lot, but the more common with AdWords is to say how much you're willing to bid per click. So you're always working with different bids, saying, and you have to do the math ahead of time and think, if I'm getting charged $1 per click and it takes me 100 clicks to get a sale, then I need to be making more than $100 per sale for that to work out. So it's, it makes the math pretty simple. So it can be a bid that you're telling AdWords or Bing or whatever that you're willing to pay up to a certain amount, cost per click. So for every person that clicks on your ad, you're willing to pay up to 40 cents, 50 cents, $10, whatever it is. It depends on, how much that sale is worth to you, what your conversion rate is, and all that stuff. It's very, very important to determine your ROI, your return on investment. So for paid traffic, if you know how much you're paying per click, then you can figure out your EPC, which is earnings per click, and EPC minus CPC equals your profit, or ROI, return on investment. So that's the basic math of paid traffic. So you got to get that right. You got to be paying less money than you're making. And one of the key metrics to figuring that out is your cost per click. You can just do plain old math. If you're paying 25 cents a click and you get 100 clicks, that's going to be 250 clicks, right? I'm not good at math, by the way, at least not mental math. I use a lot of calculators and stuff, and I use, the stats that AdWords gives me, but it's a really important, metric. It's kind of the foundation of the whole experience.